is up, squad? It is an exciting day. It's my birthday, so we have a lot of fun stuff planned today. First, we're stopping at Denny's, then we're heading to the Strip. We got a staycation planned. Made it to Treasure Island. We're gonna park here and we're going to see Matt King Comedy Magic Show at the Excalibur and dinner at Wolfgang Puck's, one of my favorites, a tradition for my birthday. It was bad over here at Treasure Island. Like, I think we lost like 80 bucks, like right away. So we're gonna head to the Mirage. I know for your birthday, you do get $10 free play as a local. So if you're local in Las Vegas, $10 free play on your birthday. So we're gonna go use that $10 free play. They give you $10 free play on your birthday. Let's go in there and see if we can turn it into some real cash. Down almost $200 between the two hotels, Treasure Island and the Mirage, and boom, Buffalo Gold. I was down about 100 on Buffalo Gold, and boom, you guys seen that bonus. Cashed out for $300, even up almost $100 on the Strip. Now we're gonna head maybe to Paris, and then the show's at 3, so it's 12:30 right now, so we gotta get going very soon. Only 50 cents. Let's start off. So we got a bonus. We dropped a bet down to 50 cents. But look at these balls right here. They're huge. Alright, here we go. Excalibur. He did 2-for-1 since it's my birthday. So we're gonna go to the show. 30 minutes until you can get in the show. We're over here. We made it. We had an Uber here. Took a little while, but we got here. We are staying somewhere we've never stayed in our life, the Cromwell. We got the 2 queen with the strip view. It's about 5:05, so we got to get going, check in the room. Then we're going to have to Uber to Treasure Island, Uber back, and then probably take the monorail to MGM for our 7:30 dinner reservation. We did change the time, so let's get going. Made it in the Cromwell. The place is a little dingy, not gonna lie. But the view's pretty dope though. Check out the view. You can see Aria, Paris. You can see Cosmo, Horseshoe over there. So it's not too bad of a view. This looks like it's locked. That'd be crazy to go out there. But yeah, the view's not that bad. The room is a little, I'll do a full room tour. Let you guys see it all and stuff like that, but it's a little outdated. We did check it for bugs. I didn't see anything. And then when we came in here, it was like 45 degrees. I kid you not. But we got to hurry and Uber to Treasure Island, Uber back, get our stuff out the car. that's gonna do it. That's gonna be the end of the vlog. We had a lot of fun. We went to the show. We're up about $400 or $500 gambling. We came back here, threw like $100 in different machines, got killed on those, but it's all good. We're gonna take some cash back, covered our meal, everything like that, so that's good. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more cool videos this summer, and love you guys, and we'll see you for the next journey.